Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with 6 things that you should never put on your face. If you're interested in seeing this video, keep on watching. So today I am super excited to bring to you some of the things that I see floating around that I'm like, oh my God, it shocks me. Those of you that are new to my channel, I am NeeCJae. I am 53 years old. I've worked on several cosmetic and makeup lines. I've learned so much about skincare working on skincare lines. We had classes that we had to go through and actually just really learning about makeup and skincare all in the same time, okay? So if you like those type of topics, I talk about skincare, hair, makeup, and lifestyle, and so much more. Please consider subscribing and the notification bell. When you click on that notification bell, every time I upload a video, it will alert you. So anyway, guys, let me just jump right into this. The first item that you should never use on your face is bar soap. When I say bar soap, like for your body. Now I see these beauty bars that are specifically for your face. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about Dial, Irish Springs, all these type of body soaps that I've seen people washing, cleansing their face, using this on their face. Bar soap is not made for your face. It's actually made for your body. Some of the ingredients in bar soap is not really great for your skin at all. So using bar soap, it can actually strip the natural oils from your skin. It can leave your skin looking dry and flaky and patchy because it removes some of the natural oils for your skin. And some of the ingredients in there is not for your face. You definitely do not want some of the harsh ingredients that are for your body. So that's one of the first ones that I want to talk about is using bar soap. Please stop doing this. I remember, I think back in the day as I was growing up, I used to see some older adults, you know, when they would cleanse their face, they would just use the regular bar soap to cleanse their face, to remove makeup. If they remove makeup, some people may not have wear makeup, but they still would use the bar soap to cleanse their face. That is not good. I'm telling you, it will irritate your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin, mature dry skin, mature skin, or just any kind of skin in general. One of the items that you never want to put on your face. Bar soap for your body. Do not do that. The next item that I have on the list, lemons. Oh my goodness. Now I see people applying lemons under their arms, and I've done that as well, like under your arms, but never on your face. Oh my goodness. Lemons are citric acid. It's a very high potent citrus, okay? And that should never be on your face. It actually messes with the pH levels in our skin, okay? It can cause hyperpigmentation because you're applying lemons on your skin. You're going outside. The sun is always shining, whether it's cloudy or not, and you're going outside. You're really causing damage to your skin with the UV rays, this high potency of citrus that's on your skin. It can cause hyperpigmentation, dryness in the skin, sensitivity where you're seeing blotches and things like that, and you're throwing off the pH level in your skin. You're making it kind of look like this, like what's going on, and so your skin is all out of whack. That is something that you do not want to do, especially when you're working so hard to achieve healthy looking glowy skin. Now when I say, yeah, lemons are antioxidants, but that is an antioxidant that should not go on your face. We have vitamin C creams and other ceramides and things like that, that you, if you want an antioxidant that you can apply to your skin. Vitamin C serums. I'm not saying the orange. You don't want to even apply that on your skin as well. So be careful when you see these little trends that's going around where people are applying lemons to their skin. You do not want to do that. I'm telling you, it will cause damage to your skin. It can cause dark marks, especially when you're going out in the sun. The UVA rays hit your skin. It almost fries your face. That citric acid is very damaging to your skin. So yes, never ever use lemons on your face, okay? Never ever. The next item is very popular. I've seen this on TikTok. I've seen this on Instagram, YouTube, and a lot of places where people are applying baking soda onto their skin. That is a big no-no as well. Again, baking soda is to be used in your home, in your refrigerator, or in other places besides your face, okay? Baking powder, baking soda, all of that. You don't want to apply that on your skin. Again, it messes with the pH levels in your skin. It messes with it. And it kind of throws it off and causes more damage than you know dealing with your skin. Again, baking soda has harsh ingredients. It's not for your face. I know these are sometimes older remedies that when you look back, sometimes people didn't have the means to buy other products, so they did what they thought was best when using these products. But today we have so many different products. You know, I know people want to do DIYs and they're thinking they're doing something healthy, but baking soda, powder, all of that, it does not go on your face. You are doing more damage than good by you using these products. Please, please, please stay away from baking soda, baking powder on your face. Leave it for what it's actually used for. All right, the next one is something that I actually used to do. And this was before I was growing up. I was younger, before I started working on the makeup counters. And I am guilty of this one. And this is number 4, using toothpaste on your skin. And hear me out. Like, say if you have a little pimple or something on your face, I was told back in the day to take a little bit of toothpaste and apply it onto your skin, and that pimple would go away. And it did. And for some reason, I would put some on at night, wake up in the morning, the pimple is gone. And I would tell this to other people, oh, just use a little bit of toothpaste on there, that pimple would be gone. That is incorrect. And if I've ever said that, please disregard. If you are one, if you're watching this channel and you say, yeah, NeeCJae, Stephanee told me to do that. Please disregard that. I hope you're not doing that any longer. It can leave little blotchy, little hyperpigmentations on your skin. It can actually cause more pimples, and it is damaging to your skin. But they said, what was the toothpaste is actually made out of some kind of calcium something. And I used to know the name of it, but I'll put it down here exactly what toothpaste is. And you do not want to add that to your skin. Now, I am guilty of that one. I used to do that every time I see a pimple. I'm going to put this on there at night. And it would kind of go away. But I would see, when I really think back on that, I would see more pimples, or I'd see a really dark spot that was deeper. Like, it would look like it was deeper. It would go away. But the side effect is more damaging to your skin, okay? Toothpaste is not supposed to go on your face, okay? I know that was back in the day, and I think I was in high school, college, one of those, and I would do that all the time. I mean, yeah, from high school all the way up to college, and when I started working in my 20s. So when I found this out, it was like, no, don't do this. This is causes this, that. It's real damaging to your skin. It causes hyperpigmentation and blotchiness on your skin, all type of things. So please do not use toothpaste on your face. Use toothpaste to brush your teeth only. Do not apply it on your face. And if I have ever told you this and you're watching my channel, forgive me. My apologies, okay? All right. Number 5 is a big one for me, okay? And it is using rubbing alcohol on your face. Now, back in the day, as our parents were growing up, I've seen people using, some of my family members using rubbing alcohol on their face, especially if they had acne prone skin. They would rub this alcohol on their face to actually remove that excess oil from the skin, but not realizing removing all that excess oil from your skin is actually damaging it. Skin is like, okay, what's going on? I need to produce more oil because my skin is super dry and it overproduces more oil. So you're going in this vicious cycle of removing the oil and then it's coming back with a vengeance, and you remove it again, then it's coming back again with a vengeance. That is not what you do. Even these toners, really look carefully to make sure you are not seeing alcohol in it. I'm very selective and very picky when it comes with any kind of toners that have any kind of alcohol in it. I have dry, mature skin. My skin is really bone dry, okay? I do not need anything that's going to rip the excess oils from my skin. And rubbing alcohol is very damaging. It gets in there and it confuses your skin, which really makes your skin overwork, okay? And that's when you start seeing hyperpigmentation. You start seeing more oil secretion. Especially if you have oily skin and more pimples. Your skin, if you have dry skin, is getting even drier. It's really, really damaging to your skin. Do not take rubbing alcohol and apply it to your skin. Very, very damaging. Especially if you have oily skin, you are causing more damage to your skin, okay? Do not use rubbing alcohol at all for your skin. Very, very damaging. The last item that I want to talk about is using body moisturizers for your face. Like I've actually seen people using like the CeraVe that's for your body, using it on your face. Moisturizers, really, like Nivea, that's specifically for your body. They're using this on their skin. Do not use body moisturizers for your face. There's so many different moisturizers that are specifically for your face and not for your body. Your body is different from the skin on your face. Your skin is a little bit more sensitive and you do not want to use body products. Some of the body products have fragrances in it that you're applying to your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin, that can really irritate and cause redness, all kinds of little skin care issues in the long run that's more damaging to your skin. So you definitely do not want to use a body moisturizers. Now you do want to moisturize your skin, but not using body moisturizers. They're too expensive. Pond's moisturizers, that is for your face. They're very affordable. There's other products that are affordable. You want to use body moisturizers for your skin. So do not use body moisturizers for your skin. That is all I have for you today. I really hope this video was helpful and interesting, especially when dealing with your skin on your face. Like I said, I'm 53 years old and this is the only skin that you have right here. I want to learn how to preserve my skin for as long as I can. I'm already going through different changes with just aging, and you don't want to damage it any further. What you want to do is really, if all possible, do everything that you can to preserve your skin. I know you see so many things that's on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, but you find out what is correct, okay, and go from there. Hey, I really hope this video was helpful and interesting. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel on the way out if you haven't done so already. And if you have any other items that you know are damaging for your skin, let's talk about it. Put it down there in the comments. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate it. Peace and love until next time. For you say